Ready to witness some of the most extreme and innovative vehicles ever created? From record-breaking speed bikes to luxury RVs, the future of transportation is here. Let's dive into these marvels of engineering. Next Pod. The future of transportation is a hot topic, and the Italian innovators at Next Modular Vehicles have a fascinating idea. They're developing electric pods with a modular design that can connect to form a bus-like system. Each pod is impressive on its own. It can reach speeds of up to 100 km per hour and travel 300 km on a single charge. This makes it both efficient and eco-friendly. Compared to traditional public transportation, these pods reduce CO2 emissions per passenger by an incredible 60%. The pods also stand out with their unique, modern design. Their futuristic look is sure to attract attention, especially from tourists looking for a memorable ride. By combining sustainability, style, and innovation, the Next Pod offers a glimpse into how transportation could evolve. Imagine a seamless, connected network of pods efficiently moving people while helping the planet. Would you ride one of these futuristic pods? 3ED18. The Honda 3ED18 is an exciting concept designed to redefine the idea of an autonomous workhorse robot. This robotic mule is based on Honda's ATV chassis but with a significant twist. Instead of a rider seat, it features a customizable rail system. This innovative design allows the 3ED18 to adapt to different tasks. Using advanced AI for navigation, it can move autonomously through various terrains. Its modular setup enables it to carry a range of attachments, making it a versatile tool for multiple industries. The robot is built to be tough. It has a four-wheel electric drive system and durable, airless tires. These features help it navigate challenging landscapes and reach remote locations with ease. Honda envisions the 3ED18 being a game-changer in many fields. It could assist construction crews with heavy lifting, aid firefighters in emergency scenarios, or support search and rescue teams in hard-to-reach areas. While still a concept, the 3ED18 showcases incredible potential. Its design and capabilities could revolutionize how we approach tasks in demanding environments. Honda has not announced a price yet, but its possible applications hint at significant economic value across industries. Wouldn't it be fascinating to see this robot in action in the future? Aerovelo Eta Speedbike. The Aerovelo Eta Speedbike is a groundbreaking human-powered vehicle that has redefined speed. It holds the world record for the fastest human-powered bike, reaching an incredible 89.5 miles per hour, 144.17 kilometers per hour. This sleek and aerodynamic masterpiece was designed by Todd Reichert and Cameron Robertson. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame and shell are key to its performance. The recumbent riding position further enhances speed by minimizing wind resistance. The Eta's design is a testament to the power of innovation and human potential. It showcases what's possible when engineering and creativity come together to push the boundaries of transportation. This record-breaking achievement highlights the potential for human-powered vehicles to achieve remarkable feats. The Eta isn't just a bike, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable speed. Would you take a ride on this revolutionary speed machine? Dilly. Dilly is a self-driving delivery robot created by War Brothers, the operator of South Korea's popular food delivery app, Baemin. This futuristic robot is designed to autonomously deliver food, making the process more efficient and innovative. Dilly can navigate sidewalks and even ride elevators to bring your order directly to you. It uses advanced technology, including lidar, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors, to safely move through its surroundings. These sensors help Dilly detect obstacles, understand grid maps, and even recognize traffic lights to find its way. Currently, Dilly is still in the development stage. It is being tested through pilot programs in select locations in South Korea. These tests aim to refine its capabilities and prepare it for wider use. The potential for Dilly is enormous. It could revolutionize food delivery by making it faster, safer, and more efficient. Imagine receiving your favorite meal from a robot that navigates the streets with precision and reliability. As Dilly continues to improve, it might not be long before this innovative robot becomes a common sight in cities, changing how food delivery works forever.
Extreme V is a powerful all-terrain vehicle designed to conquer 80% of the world's most challenging landscapes, from scorching deserts and snowy mountains to muddy trails and the rugged Alps. Think of it as the civilian version of military-grade vehicles like the Bronco and Warthog, but made for everyday use. This beast is incredibly versatile, ready for anything from rescuing stranded travelers to delivering aid or getting doctors to remote areas. It can tackle steep 45-degree slopes, handle deep potholes and dips up to 2 meters long, and haul up to 4 tons of cargo without breaking a sweat. Plus, it can zip along at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. What makes the Extreme V even cooler is its adaptability. Whether you need it to cross water with a jet propulsion system or transform it into a passenger vehicle, its modular design makes it easy to customize for whatever job you throw at it. The Extreme V is more than just a vehicle. It's a reliable partner, ready to take on the toughest terrain the world has to offer.
Volkner Mobil Performance S. The Volkner Mobil Performance S is a $2.4 million motorhome with space to store a Bugatti. Germany's Volkner Mobil is known for building some of the most luxurious motorhomes in the world. If you can afford the multi-million euro price tag, there's a good chance you also own a supercar. Volkner makes sure you can bring it along. In a recent promotional video, Volkner highlighted how the Performance S model can store a Bugatti Chiron underneath the motorhome. Volkner states that the Performance S retails for €2,035,000, which equals about $2.4 million. The exterior comes in a sleek eggplant purple. When parked, the motorhome's slide-out wall adds even more living space. The roof is equipped with solar panels, and the motorhome boasts a total battery capacity of 1,800 amp-hours, making it an eco-friendly option for those long journeys. Jaguar Volante. The Jaguar Volante is a visionary concept helicopter that combines automotive elegance with aeronautical innovation. Designed by Tommaso Mastral, a talented student from Coventry University, this concept reimagines Jaguar's sleek design philosophy for the skies. The Volante's aerodynamic body takes inspiration from the iconic Jaguar F-Type sports car. Its luxurious and spacious cabin offers seating for up to 4 passengers, making it perfect for personal air travel. The cockpit is enclosed in a striking glass bubble, providing passengers with panoramic views of the surroundings. Advanced features like a fly-by-wire control system and collision avoidance technology ensure a safe and efficient flight experience. This remarkable design represents the future of personal air travel. It blends luxury with cutting-edge technology, redefining how we think about transportation. The Jaguar Volante is not just a concept, it's a bold vision of what's possible when elegance meets innovation. Would you take to the skies in this futuristic helicopter? Hornbond 2000. Introducing the Hornbond 2000. A state-of-the-art 6-seater chairlift in Austria's Alucal ski area, built to elevate the passenger experience. This 2022 edition combines comfort, efficiency, and a touch of luxury. Stretching 1,123 meters in length, the Hornbond 2000 effortlessly transports passengers up a vertical distance of 391 meters. In less than 4 minutes, it whisks riders to the top of the Albel station, offering a swift and smooth journey. Unlike traditional chairlifts, the Hornbond 2000 focuses on passenger comfort and quality. Equipped with high-end features like Lenner Direct Drive technology, it ensures a seamless, quiet ride. Each seat is heated, providing extra warmth on those chilly mountain ascents. And with individual weather protection bubbles, riders stay cozy, no matter the conditions. This luxurious chairlift experience has made the Hornbond 2000 a top attraction in the region. Visitors are drawn to its promise of both comfort and efficiency, transforming a simple ride up the slopes into an experience worth remembering. Transforming tall bike. Can't decide between a tall bike or a low bike? The transforming tall bike might be the perfect solution for you. This unique bike lets you adjust its height while riding, making it feel like both a chopper and a city bike. Plus, it looks incredibly cool in action. The transformation is simple. To change the height, just shift your body forward or backward. However, there's a catch. As soon as your feet touch the ground, the seat will rise because there's not enough weight to keep it down. This means you need to dismount quickly and carefully. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even build this bike yourself. Detailed instructions are available on Instructables.com. To get started, you'll need a full suspension mountain bike, a few gas shock absorbers, plenty of steel components, and a welding machine. You can also customize it to suit your style. Adding a footrest or a more comfortable handlebar could make the ride even better. So, what do you think? Would you take the transforming tall bike for a spin and stand out on the road? AirScooter, the future of personal flight. The AirScooter is a revolutionary flying machine that brings a whole new level of personal transportation. Its sleek, modern design and advanced electric motors provide a smooth and eco-friendly way to fly. Whether you're new to flying or have experience, the AirScooter is easy to control, making it perfect for anyone. Its powerful engines give it great speed and agility, allowing you to zip through the air with ease. Ideal for commuting in busy cities or simply enjoying a fun ride in the sky, the AirScooter offers a stylish and exciting way to avoid traffic and enjoy a unique travel experience. With the AirScooter, you're not just flying, you're embracing a new era of adventure and freedom. Adrenaline ZRX47, the ultimate thrill ride on water. The Adrenaline ZRX47 is built for those who live for excitement on the water. This high-performance watercraft comes loaded with cutting-edge technology and a powerful engine, making every ride an unforgettable thrill. Whether you're tearing through the waves at high speed, pulling off incredible tricks, or simply enjoying a fast-paced cruise, the ZRX47 delivers a pure adrenaline rush. Its sleek and agile design allows for sharp turns and quick maneuvers, while its sturdy build ensures you can push the limits safely. Perfect for both seasoned pros and water sports enthusiasts, the Adrenaline ZRX47 takes your experience to the next level. With its combination of speed, power, and precision, this jet ski guarantees heart-pounding excitement and endless fun on the water. Get ready to rev up, hold on tight, and embrace the thrill, because the Adrenaline ZRX47 is here to redefine your water sports adventure. A mini electric concept car featuring emotional intelligence. This innovative vehicle aims to enhance the driving experience through AI technology. The NeuV is lightweight and eco-friendly. It includes Honda's automated network assistant, HANA, developed in collaboration with SoftBank. HANA personalizes the driving experience by understanding the driver's emotions and moods. With this emotional awareness, the NeuV can assist with driving decisions and suggest media or infotainment options. But that's not all. The NeuV addresses the issue of idle vehicles. Recent studies show that up to 96% of cars sit unused in driveways or parked. To combat this, the NeuV is designed to function within an autonomous ride-sharing fleet. This means owners can earn money from their vehicles when they are not in use. Etnnic Cargo Trike. The Etnnic Cargo Trike, priced at $4,160, is a versatile electric cargo trike perfect for sustainable urban deliveries. It can transport goods or even carry children and pets. Powered by a 250-watt Bwong e-center motor and a 16Ah battery, it offers a range of 70 to 90 kilometers and a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for city use. The Trike features a sturdy 6000 series aluminum frame that supports up to 140 kg. Its adjustable aluminum stem and MTB-style handlebars provide enhanced comfort while riding. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes by Bengal and a 9-speed Shimano derailleur, the Etnnic Cargo Trike ensures smooth control and reliable stopping power. Other thoughtful features include a suspension seat post, durable Schwalbe tires, and a weather-resistant powder polyurethane finish. This trike is a reliable, comfortable, and environmentally friendly solution for last-mile deliveries. Fuell Fllow. Introducing the Fuell Fllow, an urban electric motorcycle that's built for power, performance, and convenience. Priced at $10,495, This innovative ride is perfect for city commuters looking for both speed and range. With a range of over 150 miles, the Flow's 10 kilowatt-hour battery ensures long commutes are no problem. And its impressive 750 Nm of torque, combined with a 35 kilowatt motor, gives you a thrilling riding experience. The Flow can reach speeds of over 85 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Perfect for those quick accelerations in busy city traffic. Charging is fast and convenient, too. You can fully charge the bike in under 30 minutes, making it ideal for riders with a busy schedule. Now, let's talk safety. The Flow is packed with features like blind spot detection, intelligent ABS, and traction control. These ensure a safer, smoother ride even in unpredictable traffic. A connected dashboard keeps you informed while riding, and the innovative wheel motor design optimizes both weight distribution and performance. One standout feature is the advanced regenerative braking system. This helps recharge the battery as you ride, extending your range and efficiency. You'll also appreciate the 50 liters of integrated storage, perfect for storing your gear or essentials. The Fuell Fllow offers 2 riding modes: urban for daily commuting and audacious for when you want a little extra power. In short, the Fuell Fllow is a great balance of speed, safety, and convenience, making it a smart choice for modern city riders.